These are the report of the Russian Ministry of Defense, the progress of the special military operation in Ukraine. Igor Konashenkov, Russian Defense Ministry, said the armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Extremely precise attack by the Russian force led the elimination of the 115th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine, operating in the direction of the Seversk. In the past 48 hours, this brigade lost more than 600 soldiers. The residents of Seversk, Nikolaevka, and other nearby Ukrainian-controlled settlements are urgently mobilized to garrisons of the brigade. A high-precision attack launched by the Russian aerospace forces on an interned base of Armed Forces of Ukraine 123rd Territorial Defense Brigade, deployed in Nikolaev, resulted in elimination more than 200 foreign nationalists and mercenaries, and also 13 armored and motorized vehicles. As for the successful conduct of the Russian armed forces and the significant losses of armed forces of Russian, Ukrainian nationalists refused to involve in operation in Donbass. In particular, 45 nationalists from 204th Battalion of 241st Territorial Defense Brigade left their position in Artomovsk and asked to deploy them in eastern part of Ukraine.